The dais, esteemed guests, family and friends and newly minted doctors. It's such an honor to be today, to be standing here as a part of GHPU, and I would like to tell all of you, I mean, everybody spoke in Tamil. I know there are people from all over pan-India, so I'm going to keep it in English. So, firstly, congratulations to all the doctors, new doctors who made it this far, and you've been recognized by a legit university. I got my second doctorate from Global Human Peace University. I'm a person who looks for the authenticity of whatever awards and the doctorate that I have got, because I know that doctorates can be bought overnight. But here is a university where you can see that, you know, it's been affiliated and your name will be in the website as long as, I know it's going to be 100 years and GHPU touching more lives, but your name will be imprinted there, and you go see, touch the website and look for your number, your name will be there and why you've got the doctorate. So again, congratulations for all these people who are getting the legit doctorate, and you should be super proud of yourself. Today I'm standing here and thanking our visionary Dr. Manuel sir, who's not among us, who had a huge vision to touch lives and to make difference in people's lives. And Mr. Venkatesan sir and Sampath Kumar sir, who've been the backbone to this entire Global Human Peace University. And Sendamil, how can I not mention your name, who keeps that going, and Mr. Madan, who's a coordinator who's done the job. Your doctorates keep going. Now, I'm not going to take much of your time, but I would like to tell you something here. It's not going to be fitness, it's not going to be because she introduced me as a fitness person, but let me tell you this, all of us have made it this far. We've made a mark in our industry, in your particular field. When you had to go sit and work yourself, even if you're an ace worker there's nobody who's going to recognize you for the work you have done and the kind of input you have given in the field. Now you have a huge responsibility, and Sampath Kumar sir failed to say this. As an advisory board member of GHPU, he always says, you know, you come with a responsibility. You come with this huge responsibility of holding that doctorate with you, and your journey shouldn't stop here. Thank those people who've been there to make you achieve this far, who's made you touch the moon, and you should be a person, you should be instrumental to lifting up people who want to make it this far. So your responsibility to the society, okay, I've got my doctorate, I'm going to put it up here and I'm going to retire, no. Because people with our kind of experience is what India